In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a PIN access code for Shopify POS. This process is essential for securely managing your team's access to your point-of-sale system, ensuring smooth day-to-day operations. So, let's dive right in and break down this simple but crucial task. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Shopify admin. This is the central hub where you manage your entire store, from orders and products to financial reports and staffing details. Once you're logged in, take a look at the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. Next, within the Settings menu, you'll want to zero in on the Users and Permissions section. This area of your admin dashboard is specifically tailored to manage who has access to various parts of your Shopify store and what they can do once they're in. By selecting Users and Permissions, you can effectively narrow down your focus to just the staff members involved. After you've navigated here, it's time to choose the specific user you want to generate a PIN for. You should see a list of all the staff members connected to your Shopify account. Click on the name of the staff member for whom you want to generate the new PIN. This action will bring you to a dedicated page for that user, where you can adjust their roles and permissions as needed. Now, let's move on to actually generating the PIN. Scroll down to the section marked Point of Sale. This is where all PIN-related settings are housed. You'll see an option to generate random PIN. By clicking this, Shopify will create a secure and unique PIN for this particular user. Once the PIN has been generated, it's critical to note it down. You want to ensure that both you and the staff member have a record of this code. After all, they'll need it to log into the Shopify POS app on their device, which is an essential part of managing sales in store. After jotting down the PIN, make sure you also click Save. This step confirms the change and finalizes the process. And that's it. With these steps, your selected employee will now have their own unique PIN to access the Shopify POS system, streamlining your operations and maintaining security. If you have more staff members to add, simply repeat these steps for each one. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep your account information secure by sharing these details only with those who need them for their role. See you in the next video.